So we are given this question where we are given two strings and which are anagrams of each other, which means that they both contain the same letters, the same number of times, and we are also given an integer k. We are required to split the string s into k equal sized substrings, and then we can rearrange those substrings, and we must see whether the rearranged substrings can together be concatenated to give t, and we must return true if it is possible and false otherwise. So as we are given in this test case, Since, since we have to split the given string s into two substrings of equal size, the size of each substring can be given by the total length of the string divided by the number of substrings, that is 4 by 2, that is 2. So we get that each substring must be of size 2. So we will split s into two substrings, which will be these, and we can concatenate them in this order to get this, which is equal to the string given as t. So we return true. Similarly here, if we divide 6, that is the length of s, by 3, we get 2. These are the substrings that we get. We can rearrange them in this order, and then we can get this string as a result of concatenation, which matches t. And in this case also we can check that it is not possible to get that. So in order to implement this, what we can do is we can first generate all the k substrings of the given string s. So what we can do is we can first find the size of each substring given by n by k. Then we can generate all those substrings, and we must store those substrings in a map so that we can easily know which substring has occurred how many times in the string s. And then we can do the same for our string t, and we can check that each substring that we are getting, it must exist in the map, and if it does, we can reduce the frequency of the occurrence of that substring either by 1, and if it is already just a 1 occurrence, then we can remove the substring itself. And if after running all these iterations we do not find any substring of t which is not present in s, then we can return true. Otherwise, if you find a substring that is present in t but not in s, then we can return false. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.